My name is Andrew Brown, and I am a student at Ivy Tech Community College in Fort Wayne. I'm enrolled in the Advanced Automation and Robotics Technology program, and I'm currently employed at Steel Dynamics Structural and Rail Division in Columbia City as a plant electrician. I was working at Carlex class in Auburn. They have tons of robots, 30 plus FANUCs. They actually offer a program through Ivy Tech to go and study. And through that, I was able to go and expand my knowledge on the robots that we currently had. It really inspired me to kind of push my knowledge further, especially when you walk up to a cell and you don't know what's going on. You look at the teach pendant and it's all foreign language to you. I really wanted to push further with that.
Our program has many FANUC robots, so they're learning on some of the latest and greatest technology. They're also learning on some of the older units as well, because they're such a great unit. They're going to see both in industry. But we have the 6-axis jointed arm LR mates. We also have the M1IAs, which are the real fast pick and place types of robots. And then we also have the vision guided robots, where basically the robot knows where to go and get it based on where it lands. Really just trying to give them a little bit of background in many different types of controllers, from the Series A to the Series B to just about anything they're going to see. They're going to be able to get training on here at Ivy Tech.
The skills that I learned at Ivy Tech very much helped me in the industry. I was able to walk up to a cell, see exactly what the robot was doing. You almost have to think of like an extension of your arm, an extension of yourself. Through Ivy Tech, they really taught the ergonomic side of things, move in smooth, fluid motions. And by doing that, you're going to have more life on your robot.
The skills that students are learning here, they're taking directly with them to industry, and they're utilizing them immediately. So if they end up in a facility that has a lot of FANUC automation, they're ready to go from day one.
So the next 5 years in my career is probably going to be pushing the FANUC market at my current employer. We really don't have a whole lot of robots at SDI currently, so I'm wanting to add some more.
Students need to have a little bit of background and exposure into robotics, because companies are automating more and more. They need skills. They need techs that can go out and get equipment back up and running in a rapid amount of time, because that's what industry needs. They need to have high output, and they need to have highly skilled technicians.
The world is ever changing. They're getting rid of most of the menial jobs, and they're getting replaced with robots. Somebody's going to need to troubleshoot that robot and program it. You're always going to need those people, but you have to push yourself and go get educated in order to do so.